Well, my battery died. Sorry. Just gotta see. This comes with these. So we can just see if I can put you down for a minute. You see? A lot of times too, you can just change these. Because this goes, obviously, this goes to your stator, alternator, stator. This goes to your fuel shutoff. Right? So I'll come in, I'll take the cover off, I'll unhook this, unhook your kill wire, and unhook these, and you can just put these on any. See, I don't have to do no wiring cutting, no nothing. It's good. Put the starter wire back on. Tighten that up. But yeah, I had to change the exhaust because obviously this will not work on the brakes. So I took off that whole front piece. I just put I just leveled the deck back out. So that's good. Now I'll just slap this piece in there. I might have to cut off that mount right there. But other than that, next time you see this, it should be running. Alright folks, I'll add this to the other video. But yeah, I got that all bolted up. Got the pulley all back on. Remember when you're switching engines too, always use the pulley that came off the original engine. Like this one, I took that pulley that came off it and I put it on this engine. Because if you get the pulley sizes wrong, it can mess some stuff up. It was 13s, but these take 14s, but 14s fit right in, same holes, no problem. Yeah, I'll just put this exhaust on, put some gas in it, hook up the throttle, we'll be good. Alright. I probably got a little more. It's pretty close. I might have a little more to go up on that deck, but I'm working in some rainy situations right now. So much cabin fever. I had to get out. Oh yeah, one. Yeah. That's good to go. That's an easy fix. That's an easy fix. Put the exhaust on, hook up the throttle, put a battery in it. I don't know. I think I cleaned this starter. I don't remember. It's not. I have an ultrasonic cleaner, so that'll take a matter of minutes. Oh, look at this too. How often you see these? What a rare find. People know a post twin with a pressure lubed oil filter on it. You just don't see them. I think I've had 50 of these, and that's the first one I ever found with an oil filter. Other than that, alright. My camera died. I got an old crappy camera. This is my phone. But, alright. I wasted too much time already blabbering. But, next time you see this, it should be running. Until next time, Stony out.